Did you know you can make a delicious cake with cottage cheese and strawberries? Join me as I take on this challenge. Greetings, Sanbona, and welcome. My name is CBO. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs and the sugar. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Beat until they are light in color and they are fluffy. Add the fresh milk, oil, and vanilla extract or essence and mix. Sift in the flour with baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix with a whisk or a spatula to avoid overmixing. Do not use the hand blender. Scrape the sides of the bowl and mix and set it aside. Wash, trim and chop the strawberries. Some you may chop them in halves and others smaller in size. For more unique, delicious and easy recipes, please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. Mix the small cut strawberries with the batter using a spatula. Line a tart dish with a non-stick baking paper. The batter is for holding the paper down. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you for your loyalty. Pour half of the batter into the dish. Here the strawberries were not moving as I would have loved them to. I had to put them manually into the dish. In another bowl, mix the cottage cheese or ricotta cheese with powdered sugar. Add the vanilla extract or essence, then sour cream or yogurt and mix. Add an egg to bind the mixture. Blend it until it is smooth. The cottage cheese in this recipe is for the moisture and it gives a wonderful texture of creaminess and smoothness. Add the cottage cheese filling. As I was explaining what my ingredients do, the strawberries will give freshness and flavor. This will solve the issue of dryness and flavorless cake. Add the rest of the batter. I piped it to avoid mixing it with my filling, the cottage cheese filling. Please share with me your favorite fillings that keep the cake moist and flavorful in the comment section below. Top with the halved chopped strawberries. You may make any design of choice. Bake between 40 to 50 minutes. Oh, look at that golden, beautiful texture it has. Cool it a little bit before you run a knife around the dish to loosen the cake. Usually the time to wait is 10 minutes. Then you may take your cake out of the dish and remove the baking paper. This delicious cake is moist, flavorful and just the right amount of sweetness. You will love how cottage cheese and strawberry work together. It's perfect for any occasion. Dust it with powdered sugar. That's optional. For support, please press the like button. Thank you for baking along with me. Be sure to check out my other baking videos for more delicious and unique recipes. You are loved. Stay blessed. Till next time. Bye bye.